Hello ChoroQ collectors, today we have two police cars of Toyota Crowns from ChoroQ. So let's take a look at this one first. This is an undercover car, I guess, a detective car. And it looks like a Toyota Crown Comfort, like a taxi kind of Crown. It just says Toyota Patrol, well it doesn't even say Toyota, it just says Patrol Car on the bottom. And it's from 2002. Yeah, you can see the windows are quite clear up there. Alright, so yeah, but this front end is definitely a Crown, I think. And then it's got that little police insignia, and then two little lights here, all painted silver. No paint detail there. Very clear windows, not typical of ChoroQ. And then this is a really cool, thick red, magnetic light there. It's weird. There's no door handles, just none. Quite interesting. Usually they have door handles. This one seems to have like a fuel filler, I think, on this side. On the back, those look like Crown Comfort taillights. Some sort of special model. I just picked these up locally, no boxes or anything, so I'm not sure if this special model is from a collection or if it's just sold on its own. Alright, so now this looks like just a normal Toyota Crown, or really a Lexus LS400 or something. And it's got a nice texture in here, and it literally has a Crown logo. Alright, a white license plate, so some silver fog lights, and some ribbing in, or some sort of, ribbing in there. Some sort of police text there, and some faint door handle there, right there as well. They're both running these standard 5-spoke chrome wheels, and then this just says giant red taillights. This is part of the normal series, I think, number 48, and I'm assuming that says like Toyota Crown. This one's from 2004. You'll notice the windows on this one are much more cloudy and darker, it seems, because you can really not, well, you can see some of the faintness below, but it's really hard to see the motor. These are much darker windows. This one has this chevron styled light bar. Looks pretty nice. And all in all, pretty good. Alright. Never thought I'd be collecting super deformed police cars, but if things are cheap enough, I'll try anything. I've bought a lot of weird stuff that I had no intention to own before. So, my police car collection and deformed deformation police is growing quite a bit. Let's take a look at some other ones here. Let me find. I have a classic Crown police car. This one, I don't know what that collection is because I can't read Japanese. But it's, I like how it has a siren and a little light up there. A lot of details on this guy. Let's see on the bottom. Anything? Again, Japanese text. This is also from 2004. Much bigger though. It's a much different casting. It's just a different scale of ChoroQ. It's huge. Alright, I also have this Toyota Crown, but this is a Lexus LS430 from what I recall. And I have I 3D printed my own Lexus wheels on this guy. We'll put it behind these guys. Now for the taxi, I have this ChoroQ Crown Comfort taxi, and it's interesting. It's got slightly different styling to it, but it's got these triangular taillights. So it's actually different quite a bit. The rear ends are similar there on the rear with the lights, but look at the front, how this is sloping so much, whereas this is more horizontal. So it's like two different stylists made those things. Alright. I guess since I have it, I'll show you another Crown. This is a ChoroQ Zero of the Crown Athlete. So a sportier version of the modern Crown. And nice wheels. Guess I'll just put it up there. I also like that they printed on the headlights like Hot Wheels does. So better than just all silver. Alright, I think that's enough for the ChoroQs. Other electric Choro-Qs, that is. So as a top view, you can really see how big this classic one is. Let's get these guys spinning on their own. I'm now noticing the white car actually has a Toyota badge raised on the trunk. Maybe it might be hard to see because it's white, but there it is. Yeah, you see that Toyota badge on the back? So that's something you missed the first time around. Alright, well, here's my, some more police cars and super deformed. How to finish that sentence? More super deformed police cars would be proper English. And I will collect some more. So stay tuned and we'll catch you at the next parking ticket. Alright, bye.